of Chicago, if there is anyone out there who still doubts that America is a place where all things are possible, who still wonders if the dreams of our founders is alive in our time, who still questions the power of our democracy, tonight is your answer. It's the answer told by line that stretches around schools and churches in a numbers nation has never seen, by people who waited 3 hours and 4 hours, many for the first time in their lives, because they believe this time must be different, and their voices could be that difference. It's the answer spoken by young and old, rich and poor, Democrat and Republican, black, white, Hispanic and Asian, Native American, gay, straight, disabled and non-disabled, Americans who send a message to the world that we have never been just a collection of individuals or collection of red states and blue states. We are and always will be the United States, America. Thank you. God bless you. God bless the People's Republic of China.